In a quiet apartment in Portland, a 26-year-old guy named Oliver sat beside his teeny balcony garden. The night was calm, the kind of calm that makes a person think about a life little too deeply. His fairy lights glow softly, and a warm mug of chamomile tea in his hands, and a heart full of confusions. Oliver wasn't irresponsible. He was just a young, overwhelmed and tired of pretending he understood money. Every month he told himself, next month I will save, next month I will invest, next month I will start. But every month ended the same way. Rent, subscriptions, he forgot about. Random Target trips, takeout because he was too tired to cook, and a paycheck that vanished like smoke. That night, Oliver felt heavier than usual, so he called the one person who always had answers, his Grandma Mae. Grandma, why does money feel like it hates me? He asked, half laughing, half breaking. Grandma Mae chuckled softly. Oh, sweetheart, money doesn't hate anyone. It just behaves like a plant. A plant? Oliver raised an eyebrow. Yes, she said. Most young folks treat money like ice cream. Enjoy it fast before it melts. But money is more like basil. If you give it sunlight and attentions, it grows quietly. If you ignore it, it shrivels. Oliver started at his teeny basil plant on the balcony. It was still alive, barely. Mae continued. And the funny thing about money is, it doesn't care how much you start with. It only cares how often you feed it. That night, Oliver made one teeny promise. $5 a day. Not $100, not a fancy budget. Just $5. If he could spend $12 on cold brew, he could invest $5 into his future. So every day, he transferred just $5 into an index fund. Some days he forgot, some days he doubled it, but he kept going. And slowly, like a quiet plant soaking sunlight, his money began to grow, not dramatically, not instantly, but undeniably. After 6 months, he had an emergency fund. After a year, his investment started compounding. And one evening, he realized something profound. Money isn't scary when you stop running from it. The cozy message for youth are, if you are listening to this, maybe you feel like little like Oliver. Maybe you feel life feels expensive and money feels complicated and your future feels blurry. But remember this, you don't need to make big moves. You just need to make small moves consistently. Save $5, invest $3, and one subscription cancel, one better choice than yesterday. Money grows quietly when you grow quietly. So tonight, before you sleep, look at your life the way Oliver looked at his basil plant and ask yourself, what teeny habit can I start tomorrow that my future self will thank me for? Because sometimes a peaceful night, a warm cup of tea, and a $5 decision can change everything.